Hello, everyone. So, it's been about 4 months since the last TCO episode came out. So, I figured I would do a quick update on TCO 4. Well, not really quick. I don't plan to make this, 1 minute long. Anyways, first of all, it is the finale. Don't worry, though. It's not going to be like the last episode ever. It's the season finale of Season 0. And then Season 1 will start. Season 1 will just be called The Cats. That's it. The Cats. Anyways. Now for my progress on TCO 4. So, we are completely finished with the storyboard and voice lines, which is good. However, we're still working on the animation. There's still quite a bit left to do. So, yeah. As for when I plan to release this episode, I'm not exactly sure. I want it to take shorter than the last episode. I want the Cats episode to slowly come out faster. Because, see, the gap between TCO 1 and TCO 2 was around 8 months. The gap between TCO 2 and TCO 3 was 6 months. So, I want it to be less than 6 months. So, 5 months, probably. To get this goal, I'll probably have to release it next month during May. This isn't a release date or anything. This is not official. This is kind of a goal. So, I hope to get it out by then, but it's not confirmed or anything. So yeah, last year only really uploaded 1 episode. I hope this will be the first year where we upload more than 1 episode. Last year, I feel like I was busy with other things, like Meowsie's Adventure, Cat's World. But yeah, I feel like in 2022, I'm less busy with other things. Especially after Meow's Adventure 2 was released. So yeah, I feel like I'm going to try to mostly work on TCO 4 for now. Because I don't have that much else to do. I mean, besides there's going to be a new update for Meow's Adventure 2. It's a pretty big update, and we're not finished with it yet, so yeah. There's also an update for Meow's Adventure 1, but I feel like that's not as important, and I can kind of put that off if I really want to, which I'm gonna do. Anyways, I hope to, if I don't get it out during May, I hope it'll come out sometime during the summer. Yeah. Actually, it's technically been 3 months, now that I think about it. It's been 3 months in the 3rd episode, right? Because January, February, March. Yeah, it's technically been 3 months. Almost 4 now. But yeah, I hope to get it out during May or sometime during the summer. So, yeah. I do plan that this will not be the only update. Like, I do want to make, like, a sneak peek or something. And, like, show maybe some clips from the episode. But that's probably going to be in a while. Like, next month. So, yeah, that's really all I have to say. Goodbye!